Are you tired of fighting stubborn smudges and streaks on your car dashboard? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a quick, practical guide to the top options. Today, I'm going to be going over the best dashboard cleaner that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. From the moment you pick it up, the rugged bottle and clear labeling signal a product built for daily family car care. Its target audience includes busy households, detail enthusiasts, and rideshare drivers seeking an all-in-one solution that cleans, refreshes, and protects interiors. The bottle feels sturdy with a sculpted grip and a wide spray head that evenly coats dashboards without oversaturation. Its compact 32-ounce jug is standard for interior cleaners, balancing portability with enough product to last through multiple seasons. The design stays unobtrusive on shelves, blending with other car care products and not shouting its presence on a crowded shelf. One of the standout traits is its dual-action formula that cleans and protects in one pass, leaving a subtle, non-greasy finish. The cleaner is phosphate-free and formulated to work on vinyl, plastic, leather, and rubber without dulling colors or leaving sticky residues. In addition to cleaning, it deposits a protective layer that helps resist UV sun damage and reduces static cling on interior surfaces. During blind tests on dusty dashboards, it cleans without requiring aggressive scrubbing and leaves a refreshed feel after a single wipe. In high-traffic areas like console bezels and door panels, it resists streaking and keeps colors vibrant through daily use. It also releases a pleasant scent that enhances cabin feel, making routine cleanings more enjoyable while remaining unobtrusive. When stacked against Meguiar's quick interior cleaner, Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant delivers comparable surface cleaning with longer-lasting protection. The pros include a streak-free finish, safe performance on vinyl and plastic, and a convenient one-step cleaner and protectant. The cons include a stronger fragrance that may be overpowering for sensitive users and a higher price compared with budget alternatives. At number 4, we have the Armor All Multi-Purpose Cleaner. From the moment you hold the bottle, the target audience becomes clear, aiming at everyday drivers, homeowners, and DIY enthusiasts seeking convenience. Initial impressions emphasize a practical spray bottle that feels sturdy and balanced, signaling ease of use during quick cleanups. Its composition is designed for multiple surfaces, from dashboards to fabric trims, making it a versatile choice for car care beginners. The container features a robust HDPE bottle with a reinforced neck, minimizing fracture risk under routine household storage conditions. The cap employs a non-slip grip and a precision actuator, reducing accidental sprays during busy cleaning sessions. Dimensions are compact yet sufficient for comfortable handling, with a shoulder grip that preserves balance whether stationed on a tray or cabinet shelf. The cleaner uses a gentle yet effective surfactant blend, delivering emulsification of oils while maintaining color-safe performance on plastics. It foams moderately, allowing visual confirmation of coverage without excessive suds, and the scent is a light citrus that dissipates quickly. Performance in real-world rests. It cleans dashboards, door panels, console surfaces, and even vinyl without causing dulling or staining. During testing, we observed rapid grime removal on greasy steering wheels and sticky cup holders, with minimal effort and no residue left behind. In durability checks, the bottle survived a few accidental drops and still maintained a secure nozzle, sustaining performance across multiple cleaning sessions. Overall performance was consistent across plastic and rubber surfaces, with no damage or dulling observed, confirming Armor All Multi-Purpose Cleaner reliability. Compared to Meguiar's All-Purpose Cleaner, Armor All Multi-Purpose Cleaner delivers easier spray control and faster wipe downs on glossy surfaces. The pros include deep cleaning power that tackles stubborn grime, broad surface compatibility across interiors, and an affordable price that remains accessible. The cons include a relatively strong fragrance that may irritate sensitive users and the occasional need for extra wiping to prevent streaks. At number 3, we have the Meguiar's G16-2116. From its sleek packaging to the first spray, the G16-216 signals a premium dashboard care solution aimed at meticulous car enthusiasts. Its design suggests suitability for owners who prioritize matte finishes, UV protection, and long-lasting cleanliness without residue. The product promises easy spray application, quick wipe-clear results, and a library of guidance for beginners and detail hobbyists alike. Moving to build quality, the bottle feels sturdy with a rugged label and a comfortable spray trigger designed for one-handed use. Its dimensions fit most glove compartments and cup holders, while the ergonomic cap minimizes accidental squeezes during storage. The nozzle provides a fine mist that covers broad panels evenly, reducing the need for multiple passes on dashboard textures. The formula claims to be water-based, ammonia-free, and safe for vinyl, plastic, and painted surfaces with minimal streak risk. In practice, it leaves a matte to satin finish depending on the amount applied and becomes more noticeable as it cures. Real-world results show rapid dust removal and a noticeable reduction in finger smudges after application when used with a microfiber cloth. During heat and sun exposure in a parked car, the cleaner maintained a non-sticky feel and avoided white residue on dashboards. In side-by-side wipe tests, it performed consistently with minimal effort and left a subtle sheen that still remains non-intrusive. The product remains cost-effective when considering a single bottle's coverage and the extended intervals between reapplications overall. Compared with Armor All Interior Detailer, Meguiar's G16-2116 delivers a less greasy finish, stronger UV protection, and longer-lasting cleanliness. The pros include streak-free finish, non-greasy residue, and easy spray bottle, offering practical convenience during frequent dashboard maintenance. The cons include higher price point relative to budget cleaners and occasional reapplication required to maintain a consistent gloss level. At number 2, we have the Armor All Glass and Cleaning Wipes. Out of the gate, these wipes feel robust in hand, targeting busy drivers who crave rapid, streak-free glass cleaning without scraping. The canister weighs 4 pounds, delivering a reassuring heft that signals durability while remaining manageable for single-handed use. Targeting families and car enthusiasts alike, the product promises quick wipe downs during commutes, road trips, and messy backseat snack cleanups. The container uses a rugged, impact-resistant plastic shell with a screw cap that preserves moisture and prevents drying between uses. Its compact dimensions fit neatly in console cubbies while offering enough surface area on each wipe to tackle multiple windows per pass. The moisture seal remains intact during transit, ensuring consistent performance and avoiding dried edges that plague inferior cleaning products. Each wipe is pre-moistened with a premium glass cleaning solution designed to evaporate quickly without leaving film or residue. In controlled tests, the product achieved a streak-free finish on tempered glass after a single pass, even with residual fingerprints. The wipes also perform on chrome and vinyl trim, removing smudges while leaving a subtle, non-greasy feel. During real-world testing, enthusiasts noted fast cleaning cycles and appreciated the absence of harsh chemical odors. Its alcohol-free formula minimizes irritation and ensures safety around sensitive dashboard plastics during routine maintenance. Long-term, the container remains reliable, with the lid sealing well and the wipes consistently moist across multiple cleanings. Compared to a leading alternative glass cleaner, Armor All offers faster wipe cycles and fewer streaks without requiring extra drying time. The pros include fast-acting formula that cuts cleaning time, streak-free finish that reduces repeat passes, and compact canister design for easy storage. The cons include higher price compared to generic wipes and smaller sheets that necessitate more frequent replacements during heavy use. At number 1, we have the chemical Guys InnerClean. From the first spray, this interior cleaner emits a bright citrus aroma while tackling everyday grime without aggressive scrubbing. Ideal for car enthusiasts, detailers, or busy homeowners seeking simple interior maintenance, InnerClean fits into routine cleaning without intimidation. Its ease of use makes it approachable for beginners while offering professional-grade results with minimal effort and time. The bottle design emphasizes practicality with a sturdy trigger sprayer and a compact footprint that fits in any cleaning kit. Its durable PET bottle and rugged label hold up under frequent use and shipping, avoiding leaks and wear. The dimensions are compact for under-seat storage yet tall enough for comfortable grip during spray application on all surfaces. The formula is pH balanced to minimize surface damage while effectively lifting dirt, oils, and residues from vinyl, plastic, and leather. It leaves a non-greasy matte finish that preserves texture rather than creating a shiny film on interior surfaces. The spray nozzle offers a fine mist that covers large areas evenly and minimizes waste during every pass. This ready-to-use formula eliminates the need for mixing or diluting, streamlining workflows in busy shop environments and daily tasks. In field tests, InnerClean removed dust, fingerprints, and light grime from dashboards, consoles, and door panels with minimal effort. Users reported pleasant citrus scent after application and a perceptible improvement in texture without leaving greasy residue on interior surfaces. When stacked against Meguiar's Interiors Cleaner, Chemical Guys InnerClean delivers faster wipe downs and a more uniform finish across plastics. The pros include outstanding cleaning performance, rapid drying times, and broad surface compatibility across leather, vinyl, plastic, and fabric applications. The cons include a strong citrus scent that may overwhelm sensitive users and a higher price point compared to budget cleaners.